Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Captain Putty from the new Chip 'n Dale Rescue Rangers movie. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, maybe share. All of that is awesome. Really appreciate if you do any of it. Alright, to get started on drawing Captain Putty, I am going to start with his eyes. So he's got two ovals for eyes. One. And two. And then we've got two other ovals inside those shapes. We can color those in all dark. And he's got these two eyebrows, of course. And my favorite thing about him is his big mustache. So I'm going to start drawing that by almost drawing like a great big frown. I'm going to come down a little bit on both sides and then go across. And then we can do all these little strokes coming up. All right, so we've got eyes, eyebrows, mustache, and now I'm going to do the side of the face. I'm coming on down this way, and we can come on down this way too. And now over here, we can do a little bit of his hair. He's got a little bit of hair showing underneath his hat. So I can kind of do a few curved lines like that. And then we can come on down this side. And now we can do a curved shape right here. And we can do the collar of his shirt. So we do kind of a triangle right here. And right here we're coming down, and we're going to do a little point here as well. And then curve in. And we can do a funny little shape right here like this. And bring down two lines like this for his tie. And right here, we're bringing down a line for his jacket. And the same over here. And he's got collar on those too. So we're coming down right here, coming out a bit, and coming down. And we're going to do the same over on this side. So come inward, and then come on out a bit, and then come down. Now, Putty needs his hat. So I'm going to draw straight across right here. And come on out a little bit. And he's got a little bit of hair on this side too that we can show. And right here, I'm going to do a shape like that. A little bit of a curve right there. A little bit of a curve right here too. So now we can kind of follow that same shape we made. And then we can come on up a little bit. And then inward, and come on up a bit more. And then inward again. Or sorry, down. And we're going to put a band around the hat. Maybe it's a ribbon, don't know. So it's got a little band around it. And we can come on out right here for some shoulders. And there we go. We are finished our sketch, our drawing of Captain Putty. And now I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome, wonderful, super duper day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.